No, I curbed my wheel. This curb is way too high, and my brother was almost gonna hit the door, so I was moving out and I turned too much and hit it. Well, that sucks. Alright, well, first curb rash. Urgh. I mean, the rim, everything else is okay except that one spot. Oh well. Alright, so here's the update on my wheel. I actually smoothed out the curb rashed area. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I was trying to find some paint that matches this so I can kind of fill it and make it completely even. What I did was I used a Dremel. So I used this, why isn't it focusing? Okay, you can see that I used this super rough sandpapery one first, and then I used one of these less rough ones, okay? And then after that, I used like this wire bristly thing, okay? And then I used this fabric or the nylon stringy bristle thing. And then after that, I used one of these polishing wheel thingies, but I didn't put any polish on it because I'm not gonna be able to polish it to be the same as like that. This is basically, if I polish it and everything, it'll be completely like shiny, like steel or aluminum or something, instead of this sparkly silver gray stuff, so it won't match this. But technically, if I really wanted to make every wheel the same, I could just like use the Dremel tool to sand off the silver off everything, and then we'll have a shiny silver ring around the entire thing, so it's all matching. If I really wanted to do that and not really worry about curb rash, because then every time if I ever hit the curb again, I could just always sand it smooth again and make it matching. That would probably be the easiest way. But anyways, for now I'm gonna leave it like this. If you're wondering, it's pretty easy to remove these wheel covers. So I did remove the wheel cover before I started this, but basically you just grab out here. Okay, you can pull a piece, grab out here, pull a piece, and just work your way all the way around, okay? But if you do this, be careful that you don't accidentally drop this thing on the ground, of course, because then you're gonna scratch this up. Oh, and I almost did that. Okay, anyways, so here you can see, and underneath this is all gross. I don't know why people really, I don't really know why people like this look better. I guess because they like to see the inside of the wheel. Personally, I don't really like this metal look as much, though I do like the look of the bolts there in the center. So I guess if they made like fake looking bolts here, it would kind of look nice, but I don't know. Everyone has different preferences on what looks good. It actually looks good like this, so there's really no need to change anything. Okay, it's hard to put this back with one hand, so anyways, we'll just push like this. Okay, there we go. And make sure this is in all the way, and also make sure this lines up with the valve there. That's the most important one. And there we go. So yeah, if you're not really looking for it and you just stare at the wheel, it's not too noticeable. It's all right. But yeah, if anyone knows what kind of paint goes here, like a color matching paint, maybe I should ask the Tesla service center. Maybe they know. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. Everyone was saying, like, most people were saying it's okay, it's gonna get damaged anyways, but still it bugs me. Yeah, anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one.